Hey guys, how's it going? How to customize your Kraken dashboard layout. So first of all, go ahead and open up your official website of Kraken, right? Not the official website, official app or website for that matter. And start with the bit watch list, right? You can add or remove crypto from here and add new ones. Let's say, for example, Ripples and Solana, right? And you're gonna be able right here to see the dashboard now fairly changed, right? And you can basically go and click the account at the bottom right and just go to the theme and choose the dark mode or the bright mode to change the whole basically the whole screen. Or you could go back, and if your iPhone supports that, go ahead and hold right here and go click edit and add widget, right? And as you can see right here, I can add Kraken, right? And add the widget from here if you're using iPhone, of course. That way you're gonna be able to see the new prices for Bitcoin. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.